You hear that bird?
I didn't hear that. I thought that was a woodpecker. Ooh. Where was that?
Gobble for sure down.
Down in here? Hey man, this bird's like right down here. You hear that?
It's the 4th time.
He's just up the hollow.
What's he doing?
He's coming our way. I can probably shoot him right there if you got him.
I'm on him.
Alright. Grandpa shot that bird, and as we're taking pictures and standing there talking, another bird sounded off just down the hollow from us. So now we came down here. It probably gobbled, what, 15, 20 times?
Probably, yeah, on his own.
On his own, so hopefully he's by himself. Throw a few calls out down over the hill here, work our way up and down and see if we can try to find him. You can hear quite a ways this morning still.
Oh, that's nice. No wind at all.
Yeah.
I think he's still back in here a little more to where he can't hear us yet. He's down low.
Yeah, I think he is down.
He's in the bottom.
It's gonna get hard to hear down by the creek though. I mean, he's just straight down this run. Cut out. Well, so you can walk at him. I don't like that he ain't answering. Which might mean he is.
There he was. That was a delayed gobble. He's not far.
You think he's in the bottom?
Yeah.
This is like way too up. We'd have to set up like right here where that sticks to our back, you know?
I want you to get over there to the left and then walk the edge of them hemlocks down just in case he starts coming. How far is it to the stream? Like in his direction?
He might be across. The stream's right here. He's got to be across. Yeah, that's a stream running through there. Probably why he ain't really answering us, because we ain't on the same side, you know?
Yeah, he probably got a hen with him, maybe. There's 2 of them. Sounded jakey. Yeah, they might be on this side.
Yeah, that one.
You think they're gonna come up through this crap?
They might come up this edge.
What if we get down them hemlocks?
Heck. Yeah.
Here, hang on, try him here. Is that the longbeard right there?
No.
Huh?
Longbeard's fanned out. They're going up the hill to the right.
I can't hear you.
They're going up the hill to the right.
The longbeard?
No. The Jake.
Where's the longbeard?
He's right behind the Jake. He's going to the right too.
I'm on 2 of them.
Okay. I can't move yet.
Which one's he?
He's fanned out.
Huh?
He's fanned out.
Where is he?
Right behind those trees from you. Straight behind those trees. Let me know when you see the longbeard. I can just barely see his fan.
I can't hear you.
I can just barely see his fan. About 50 yards, that's pretty far.
What's he doing?
He's coming our way. I don't see him.
He's fanned out right by that white boulder.
You see him?
Yeah.
How far?
Talk to him. He's fanned out facing the other way. Call to him. You got him with him?
No.
He's fanned out facing the other way.
There's 4 Jakes with him.
He's got to have a him.
piss her off and bring her over.
He turned this way now.
I can probably shoot him right there if you got him.
I'm on him.
I think that's too far.
How far is that? It's pretty far.
That's probably like 50. I can't see behind him.
Can't see what?
You want me to shoot him?
I can't hear you.
You want me to shoot him there?
I don't know, that's... How far is that?
I don't know.
It's gotta be almost 60.
I just heard a different bird.
What?
I just heard a different bird gobble off in the distance. Might walk down here.
Where's the Jakes?
I think they walked away. Did you hear that bird?
Yeah.
to look a little harder now. I don't know what's standing behind him. I mean, I can't shoot. It's getting closer. I mean, he's really looking for us.
Where's the Jakes at now?
To the right. He might come in.
Can you see him good right there?
Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, I'm wide open to him, but I just can't move. I'm hurting here.
Just move slow.
Huh?
Just move slow.
What's that?
Are you better now?
No. I'm getting there, though. I gotta get my right knee up under me and I'll be alright. What's he doing, Kyle?
He's still standing there, just looking. Strutting.
Wow, what's he doing?
Looking like he's gonna come this way.
Is he looking?
Yeah. I'm gonna try him.
What?
I'm gonna shoot him.
Let me know when.
Okay. I'm gonna pick my gun up real slow.
Speak up.
I'm gonna pick my gun up.
Anytime.
Just a little too far.
You didn't hit him?
I don't think so. There is a hen there.
I figured.
Man, if we could have got another 10 yards up there. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You can see my babies up there on that tree by where he was at, but pretty far.
48?
48. I was guessing 45.
How many birds were there?
There was definitely a hen, because when I walked up there just now, she took off running. At least 3 jakes, might have been 4, but the other bird that I saw might have been a hen. Might have been better off up there in that opening.
Well,
we shouldn't have came down as far down here as I was running down this patch of hemlock. Did you get much film of them initially?
yeah, enough.
It was pretty dark from out there looking in here. It's pretty dark.
I was dying.
I heard you groaning and grunting. I was like, I gotta do something here. "48 yards.
My legs were asleep. My arms, I couldn't hold them up anymore. I was dying.
Where was that other turkey? Was it up over that way?
I don't know.
I heard it way off.
Dang. He didn't move.
It's like an
He
hour.
didn't move for that spot for... I thought he had a hen, because just the way he was facing away from us, strutting and looking over there.
Yeah.
And then the jakes were kind of up to his right.
That one turkey come walking down right before I shot.
I was just struggling.
They got on us quick.
Yeah.
You handed me that GoPro, and I turned and looked, and I could see the one Jake walking right at us.
And I was in a horrible position. And I didn't move from there that whole time.
That Jake, I don't know if you could see it, but see that green grass right here? It stopped right in there. If that was longer, I could have shot it.
He was standing right on the other side of this big boulder up on that little high spot right there. Kyle stepped it off and he said it was 48 yards. It's a little bit of a poke, but he knows what his gun will do. Where the heck was he? He must have been like right here. We were down there in all that shade. Pretty hard for him to see us. I think he was about right here. He got up in the air and just went down in there. Just gonna walk down in here and look around a little bit just to be safe. Nothing?
You just stand right here. Right here. I thought he was standing on this boulder.
No, I don't think he was. I actually think he was behind this one.
Oh no, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was definitely behind this. Right here's a feather. He was right here.
Well, then that was like... I thought he was behind this one.
He was right here.
Well, then he was like 60 yards.
You say he took a step. He might have been like on this rock or that rock.
Yeah. Hell, I thought he was at that one. Yeah, I bet he was standing on this rock. Misjudged that one, didn't I? See, I couldn't see this boulder from where I was. Yeah, if he would have been on that, trail, he would have died. I believe he's just lost a lot of energy from here to there.
How far do you think that is from right there then?
That's 12 yards to there. So that's 60 yards. 48 plus 12.
We had good cover there.
Yeah, see, I thought he was right behind that tree. I didn't realize he was another 12 yards behind that tree.
Can you see the boulder now?
No.
Like,
nope.
Lean out and you see where,
yeah.
Does it make more sense? Because I know he was up by behind that boulder.
Yeah, see, I couldn't see that boulder. It makes more sense now, but I had this tree in my way. I thought he was, 4 yards right behind that tree. Because I was doing the math in my head. I'm like, okay, from here to the edge of that cut, 20 yards. Okay, from the edge of that cut to that tree is probably another 20 yards. And I said, if he's 5 yards behind that, he should be dead.
Well,
but he was another 12 yards behind that tree. At least.
It was hard to judge right there. Well, we looked around a little bit. And after reviewing the footage, he don't even look like he really got hit. He got out of there pretty good. He was just a little farther than we thought. It happens. It's like an old road going up in here. Wish we would have known this was here, huh? I didn't think they'd come out in this crap, No, it's not as bad as I thought. A lot of grass in here. That's probably why they're in here. It's open. So he probably had a hen with him that whole time, huh?
I saw it, for sure.
Even, when he hit your calling up here, even how he delayed. First thing I thought, he must have a hen. It came quick though. And that hen never said a word. Yeah, it'd have been nice if we could have been up through here somewhere. Nowhere near as bad as I thought. Like when we were over there, it was kind of crappy. I didn't think he'd come up through this crap. It's more open over this way. Well, on to the next one, huh?
Did you hear me shoot?
Huh?
Did you hear me shoot? I missed. There's three jakes, I think, or 2 jakes and a longbeard. We watched it for an hour and a half in front of us. Never moved, like a statue.
Too far.
I thought it was 45 yards, but I didn't have like a good landmark to judge it off of. I did, it was in front of it, but here it was another 12 yards behind it. I thought he was right behind the tree. And a bird gobbled on its own. Or he just gobbled again.
Yeah, we can get out there.
Yeah. Is that him drumming? I didn't hear him. Chad. He's right on the gas line. Don't move.
On your side?
Yeah.
On the left?
Yep. See it down there.
Okay, I'm on her.